Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your Snapchat astrological profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner to get to your profile page. Then, if I open my astrological profile, you can see that I currently have it set up. To delete it, go back to your profile page and tap on the settings cog in the top right corner to get to the settings page. In settings, tap on birthday. Then on the birthday page, tap on the X button after where it says My Astrological Birthday. Tap clear on the pop-up. Now, if you go back to your profile page and tap on the star sign icon to the right of your snap score, you will see that your astrological profile is gone, and you will be on the setup page again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.